With so many sellers on Amazon, standing out and maximizing your chances of success can sometimes be a challenge. When you launch on Amazon, you are taking a risk. One misstep can cost you valuable time and money. One mistake can sink your business, even before it starts. If you're selling on Amazon, it's essential to know how to avoid these dangers to reach more buyers and maximize the success of your business. We've compiled a list of the most common mistakes to avoid when launching your business on Amazon FBA. Here are the top 5 mistakes you should not make, so that your sales strategy outperforms the competition. Hi, my name is Richard and you're on my AMZ Seller Tools channel, where I share with you my experience with Amazon FBA, so that you too can start your own business and start making money fast to achieve your dream life. Remember to subscribe to be notified of my upcoming videos on selling on Amazon. We'll see you right after this.
Creating a seller's account and uploading their first products to the Amazon platform is just the first step. However, most new sellers expect impressive and instant results, an explosion of sales right after logging into the platform. Despite the promises and misleading demonstrations of some coaches, who themselves have failed on Amazon, these new sellers will certainly be disappointed. More often than not, this lack of instant results can discourage most new sellers. Some disappointed sellers give up, and even reject the Amazon platform completely. As with any other marketing method, achieving significant results on Amazon does not happen overnight. It requires continuous work in terms of time and effort. For any Amazon seller, keeping keywords at the top of search rankings, getting lots of reviews, and implementing an advertising strategy to drive sales requires a lot of patience and personal investment over a very long period of time. Accepting that it takes time to succeed on Amazon, and adopting a long-term mindset, helps avoid disappointment.
Unfortunately, many new Amazon sellers unintentionally confuse Amazon's ranking with Google's, without recognizing the huge difference between Amazon and Google's algorithms. Google is the world's largest search engine, while Amazon is the largest e-commerce marketplace. Millions of visitors search on both Amazon and Google. Sellers need to be familiar with both search engines to grow their business on the internet. Like Amazon, Google uses keywords to rank search results. However, the parameters that influence Google's search algorithm are very different from Amazon's. Here are some of the factors that influence Google's search engine optimization algorithm. The backlinks to your website or blogs. The number of clicks to your websites. The speed of loading pages on your website. And the authority of your website. Amazon's ranking, on the other hand, stands on its own. It is based solely on customer perception of products and sales generated on Amazon. Ranking in Amazon's search results does not depend on your website's performance. Most of the factors that influence Amazon's SEO are solely customer-centric. Thus, we can mention as influential criteria: keywords, which are the search terms used by customers; conversion rates; number of sales; and reviews and comments.
If you sell your own branded products, you need to write your own product listings. You put a lot of effort into researching and identifying your next winning product. So it's only fair that you put the same effort into creating your product listings. Alas, many Amazon sellers ignore this requirement. Between the photos, title, bullet points, and product description, you don't have a lot of space to grab customers' attention and convince them of the value of your item. That's why it's so important to make full use of the limited space you have. An effective presentation serves two purposes. It provides compelling sales copy while helping you index valuable keywords. Before you write your ad, be sure to do thorough research on the best keywords. Be sure to include them in your ad, especially in the title and bulleted list. Also, make sure to write a compelling and accurate description of your product. When it comes to your product images, many novice sellers think that a photo taken with a smartphone and some fiddling in Photoshop will suffice, but they are wrong. Good professional photography can go a long way in making your product successful on Amazon. If you are selling on Amazon, and you are not doing everything in your power to optimize every product detail page and create high-quality listings, you are making a terrible mistake that will cost you in the long run. Some customers will look at your product listings to learn more about your item and make the final decision to buy or not. Therefore, overlooked factors such as incomplete descriptions, pixelated images, lack of keywords, and omission of essential benefits and features have an inordinate impact on your conversion rate. In summary, product listings are an easy but often overlooked opportunity to share product details, enhance the shopping experience, and entice customers to buy.
Amazon is arguably the largest online retail marketplace in the world. And in such a competitive and crowded e-commerce environment, not using an advertising strategy on Amazon automatically puts you at a disadvantage. By not advertising right away, you'll likely save money up front, but if you don't boost your seller account with an advertising effort, you're missing out on a unique opportunity to acquire new customers and move up in Amazon search results. If you choose to start selling or running Amazon stores without advertising, you will surely regret it at some point. Amazon ads have become an indispensable tool if you want to appear in the top search results of the e-commerce platform. For your product to be listed on Amazon, its quality and price are no longer enough. With thousands of products being added and sold every day, it is increasingly difficult to get noticed among other sellers on the marketplace. Did you know that 70% of people who search for products on Amazon do not go beyond the first page of results? Having a good positioning on Amazon is therefore essential to be able to sell your products. Moreover, 64% of Amazon consumers only click on the first 3 results. You must therefore advertise on Amazon, otherwise you are making a serious strategic mistake.
Finding a good product to sell on Amazon is not an easy task for novice sellers. The right software will give you a decisive advantage over your competitors and help your Amazon store stay ahead of the game. If you're looking for a high-potential winning product, Helium 10's Black Box app is a great place to start. Helium 10's Black Box is currently one of the best Amazon product search tools. It provides you with information that will help you discover products with high sales potential and untapped, low-competition niches. Helium 10's Black Box app leverages a database of over 450 million products. You can literally search for products based on average monthly sales volume, competition, pricing, and product reviews, all in seconds. Instead of spending hours or even days manually searching Amazon, just select a few smart filters, and the software does the work for you in a flash. Here are 3 good reasons to use Helium 10. The software will save you a lot of time and effort. It will save you days of product and keyword research. The software uses up-to-date information directly from Amazon. This means that with just one click and intelligent filtering, you get reliable and accurate information. This information will help you make better choices about the winning products you sell. No more guesswork, no more approximations, just relevant information that leads to good decisions. Helium 10's integration with Alibaba is another highlight. The functionality to browse products and find recognized suppliers is particularly useful and makes it easy to find suppliers efficiently.
This video was made in partnership with Helium 10. Helium 10 is considered the best, most comprehensive tool for Amazon FBA today. Most of Amazon's biggest sellers also use Helium 10. Don't trust your instincts, your intuition, or the words of pseudo-coaches who have failed on Amazon. Trust only the numbers and Helium 10's powerful analytics tools. Find winning products in minutes, profitable products with high demand and low competition. Let's face it, it's getting harder and harder to identify lucrative products with few competitors. With Helium 10 and its intelligent filters, discover unsuspected products in seconds, based on your exact needs, niche, and preferences. Don't get crushed by the big brands in Amazon search results. Optimize your ads to appear and stay on the first page of Amazon. Gain weeks of search time. Helium 10's SEO tools instantly list the best keywords, as well as the best way to write your headlines, bulleted lists, and product descriptions. In the description of this video, you will find a link to Helium 10 and 2 discount codes. Get 20% off your first 6 months of subscription now, or 10% off for life. Subscribe to Helium 10 today and get immediate, impressive results with Helium 10's powerful tools.